Honeywell introduces OmniAssure Touch. Our mobile-ready multi-technology readers are available in mullion format, both with and without keypad. Honeywell Utility app is now available for Android. In this video, we will cover how to download and install the app and how to navigate around the app itself. Before we go through these steps, there are some prerequisites needed in order to proceed with setting up the utility app. Users should receive the login credentials, OEM code, one for each installation, STD code, always STD, username, default user, and password beforehand, default, standard, 1! Note that the utility app only works with Android devices and via NFC, near-field communication. Ensure that your mobile device is connected to internet. To download the app, go to Google Play Store and search for Honeywell Utility app. Download and install the app like any other app. To continue with setup, make sure that Bluetooth, NFC and location functionalities are turned on. Under login screen, you will be asked OEM code, STD code, username, and password. Once login is completed, you can set up a PIN code for the app from the settings menu. It will be much easier than using a username and a passcode for access. Under settings, click Reload Files to review the most recent firmware updates. You can configure everything from your mobile device by using Utility app. From the Reader menu, you can initialize the settings, configure OSDP, update security settings, configure BLE settings, reset reader to factory settings. Honeywell Utility app works with NFC, so for configuration, best way is to lay the phone on the reader. Reader menu enables you to initialize settings. Select the firmware available from the list on drop-down menu. App requires you to enter a site code to do the update. Default site code is site. Place your phone over the reader to finish the update. Reader connected notice appears on app screen and loading progress bar will show up when the device is connected to OmniAssure Touch. Once installation is completed successfully, installation finish text appears on the screen. For mobile credentials or for any configuration, under Reader menu, go to Initialize Settings. Select your preferred configuration from drop-down menu. For vector-enabled configuration, UniKey include options should be selected. After entering site code, place your device over the reader. As before, installation finish notice will appear on the screen once installation is successfully completed. Bluetooth-based mobile credentials is one of the great features of OmniAssure Touch. Place the device near the reader. Select baud rate and then select address. Select Secure Channel Base Key, an encrypted mode setting for OSDP communication, in a normal 16-character code or in a 32 digits hex code. With BLE config, a new reader can be added to your organization. My new reader option is available and new reader can be labeled at below text box. From BLE config, select Enroll Reader option. Enrollment is followed by a status bar and when completed, Enrollment Complete message appears. Go into Reader menu and select Factory Reset. You can remove data from the reader by resetting it to factory settings. Factory Reset erases all the data on the reader, so consider trying other solutions if you are resetting to fix an issue.